Here's a Google Pixel 9. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is turn it on. Just press and hold that power button and wait till the Google logo appears. Once you're on the welcome screen here, choose your language. You can just tap on right there. I'm good with English in the United States. And then I'm going to tap on get started. Set up another device to copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. Keep it nearby and unlocked. Okay, so if you have another phone, tablet, even an iPhone or iPad, and you want to copy the settings and so on to make things a little bit faster, then just go ahead and click over here and bring your device close to the Pixel phone. If not, no problem for myself. I'm just going to go ahead and skip this part and just do everything manually. Connect to Wi-Fi. You can connect it to now, or you can skip and do it later when you have Wi-Fi, but I have Wi-Fi now. I'm going to go ahead and connect to it to get the latest update, and mine's not on here. Let me select see all Wi-Fi networks. Okay, there we go. Now I see mine right there. Go ahead and enter your Wi-Fi password. After you put in the Wi-Fi password, tap on the check mark down there. You just said connected. Getting your phone ready now. This may take a few minutes. Here they're asking you to sign into your Google account, basically your Gmail. You can sign in now or you can do it later. If you don't have one, you can always create one. For myself, I'm just going to go ahead and skip this for now, and I'll just do this later because I don't remember my password. I'll tap on skip right there. Connect to a mobile network. So they're saying you can go ahead and set up your eSIM right now. If you have an eSIM, you can download the eSIM here, or you can put in your physical SIM card in right now. Okay. However, for myself, I'm going to use a physical SIM card, but I'm going to do it after all the setup's done on the phone. So for myself right now, I'm just going to go ahead and skip this part. Tap on skip again. Set a PIN, basically a PIN password. You can skip that, but I would advise just go ahead and just make one right now. So let me go ahead and make a 4-digit or 6-digit PIN here. And then press on next, and it should ask you to re-enter to confirm one more time. And then tap on confirm. Set up Fingerprint Unlock, basically a fingerprint password. You can go ahead and skip this and do it later. You can skip it and never do it. It's up to you. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and set this up right now. I'm going to tap on agree right there. And then once you're here, we can go ahead and tap on start. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my finger, I'll use my thumb here, and press firmly. Just keep reading it and just make sure that that white circles all the way around. So just keep going. You feel it vibrate, vibrate up, vibrate up, vibrate up. Just keep on going. Almost there. There we go. So now it's added. Now if you want, you can go ahead and add another fingerprint on there, or you can also do it later after you're done with the setup. Up to you, but I'm good with this one for now, just the thumb. Set up face unlock. This is basically a face password. You can set that up now or do it later or never do it. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you can agree or no thanks. For myself, I'm going to go with no thanks. Maybe I'll set it up later next time when I'm done the setup. Google services, you can go ahead and read through these. And they already have some things that are toggled on here. And these all look like they're all optional, so it's up to you. And then go all the way down. You can have them I'm fine with having all these on. For myself, I will tap on accept. And I get like a limited warranty here. You can read through that if you want. I'm going to tap on next. Additional legal terms, read through that. Tap on I accept if you accept. Get peace of mind, you can go ahead and read through this. Go all the way down and then tap on next. Review additional apps here. So the ones that are going to basically download. Uncheck the ones that you don't want. I'm fine with all of these. And I'll tap on OK. You can always remove it later on after setup as well. And here's a little tutorial here. You can skip that or you can try it. Swipe to navigate. We can go ahead and try it. We'll try it. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go home. You just go like that. So we can just like that. To go back, we can swipe it this way or this way. I'll just do it this way. To switch apps or basically see your recent apps that are open, just go down here, slide up. Well done. Let's tap on done. We're all set and ready to rock and roll. Next video I'm going to go is insert my physical SIM card. If you want to see that video, look in the description below. Anyway, there you guys go.